So, hello everyone. I guess you already know the old method to connect to your Raspberry Pi by SSH pi at the username at some IP address here, and that's the old way. In Windows, we use PuTTY to do this. And now I'm going to show you which can be a more efficient way and simpler way to work with your Pi. So, let's do this. First of all, you need to install VSCode and install an extension whose name is Explorer. This one. So it's from Microsoft and it's pretty safe, I can say that. And you need to install it. I already did it. So now let's get straight into it. When you install it, an icon will appear here. It can be. It looks like this, and I click on it. So we have this interface, a small tab on the left. Click plus sign to add new device. Add Pi and my IP address. My Pi's address, yeah, to be exact. Enter. So it add a new entry. This is a plain text file, and it define my new device here. You can add new device by just editing this file, but I won't go into that today. Okay, so click refresh to see it. Hello. Okay, it just hide in here. So my Pi appears in here. We can click connect to current window. I actually accidentally connect in advance, but yeah, let's do it again. Connect to current in the current window. Password, and it will do some setup, and now your Pi is ready. You will know that if you see the SSH and your Raspberry Pi's address, IP address, in the left bottom corner. Right. So now you want to open folder, which will allow you to navigate in your Pi. We can start from home or from the root file. Okay, let's start from root because I can show you much more from here. No. I want to. How about here? Okay, we should start somewhere. Let's just choose home. Yeah. And again, if you open a new folder, you have to enter password again. Just because it's my Pi. I don't have nothing to worry about. Okay. So we in the home directory. This left tab Explorer here is your Explorer. It allows you to see file visually in with your eyes. Basically, you can see everything at once. Unlike the command line, you have to ls to see it, and change directory to Pi, and ls again to see it. It's very it's a bit more, it requires a bit more steps to do it, but in here we can just click and it will expand the directory and allow us to see whatever in there. Okay, let's go to document, and I click document and I want to add a new file into it, hello.py, and it just create a new file for me. So the same with your terminal or command, which using command lines. The thing with VS Code is that it has a built-in terminal tab for you. So this section here is your terminal, just like the terminal I use here, but it integrate the terminal in here so we can use it more conveniently. Right, so we want to go to document as well, and we want to ls. So as you can see, because I create a new file using this method and like click the new file and specify it, it also appears here. Basically, everything you do with this window, you you are you are working with your Pi, and yeah, it's just like using your command line but quicker. So okay, I want to edit hello pop.py from here. Nano hello. Oh, I think, oh yeah, we already in there in the documents. Nano.hello.py and print hello. Just that. Right. As you notice, once we save the nano, once we finish editing the hello.py, it also saved in here, and it show you the file. So this, I can say this is more convenient than SSH and using Nano to edit things. So we can, without using Nano, we can edit directly the files from the VSCode. So print another thing. Hello. Second time. That's it. And Control S to save. Now we run Python 3. Hello. Oh, my bad. All right. So I edited in here, and it is reflected in the print in the output in my terminal here. So as you can see, using Visual Studio Code and this Remote Explorer extension gives you more freedom to kind of interact with your Pi, and it's more similar to your old way when you work with your Windows and MacBook, for example. So yeah, and if you're working on a mini project, this can be a faster way to work with your Raspberry, save you a bunch of time. I can say that. And yeah, if you feel this is better for you, then just go ahead and use it. Otherwise, you can use terminal or putty if you want. I don't oppose to that. And that's it. Another thing I want to add is you can add new file in other directory as well. You don't necessarily have to change directory to download to do it. So another hello 2 pi it here, and in desktop I want to create another hello 3.py, and in there, so I just create a new files in different directories without going change directory to desktop, something like that. I don't have to do this to create new files in it. Yeah, that's another advantage. And if you want to change directory or open, or you want to kind of to just display the document directories, then I can do this. Open folder, home, pi, document, and click OK. So it creates a new window, kind of refresh everything, and just show me the document folder. Control tilde to open the terminal, or you can kind of view, it's somewhere in here. Terminal. Yeah, you can go to view and click terminal to to get it.